Hi all, so it's Monday the 10th of December. It's actually 2:05. I've just been doing some study. I did record Friday, Saturday and Sunday, but it was just me chatting about what's going on, so there's no point me putting that footage in. I'll just tell you now. I had doctors on Friday 8:40 or something, so I recorded really early in the morning on Friday. It went okay. Nothing was done about my results. They're classing it as okay, even if it's over the recommended amounts for some of the stuff and borderline for stuff. You know, it's the doctors, unless it's severely over or under on something, they're not bothered. But while I was there, I also showed her about a lump I have on my ear here. It's been there for several months now. My twin sister pointed it out when she was over a few months ago now. So I showed it to her, and she actually ended up getting another doctor in to look at it as well. They think it's, I've forgotten the name of it. I said it in the video before, but I can't remember the name of it. It's a vascular something. Basically it means it's a non-malignant tumour. It doesn't hurt or anything like that. They're going to monitor it, so see me again in 3 months. They took a photo to see if it grows or anything or becomes a problem, and if it does, then they'll have it removed. But it doesn't hurt at the moment. It doesn't bother me, and it is reasonably small. I don't think I can show you guys. I don't know. It's up here. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's not a concern or anything. I wasn't bothered. I just wanted to double check. So yeah, they're just going to monitor it and see how it goes. I'm going to see the other one of my doctors on the 19th for this CBT training thing that I'm supposed to be doing. I also have more physio on the 19th. See how that goes. But that's about it. But yeah, so Friday after I got back from the doctors, I did record telling you all that, and then done a little bit of crochet while I waited for my food to be ready because I hadn't eaten. Excuse me. And then after I finished eating, I was actually so tired I went to bed and woke up at 3 in the afternoon. Then, because Duncan had the day off, we decided we'd go out Pokemon hunting so that we could do something together. So we went out Pokemon hunting, got thoroughly cold, thoroughly wet, come back, and we were just really tired, so we had dinner and settled down, watched something, and then went to bed. Saturday, woke up so very tired, but we went into town and done some more Pokemon hunting. Wasn't wet, so it was just cold, so it wasn't too bad, but we done some of that, and then we came home again, and again we were both so tired. We went to bed really early. I was in bed before Jan even started her live, so we just kind of went to bed and lounged out, read books and went to sleep. We both had rough nights and we're still both very tired now. We went to bed reasonably early last night as well. We were at Duncan's parents for supper, so didn't do much on Sunday daytime because I was just resting. I'd done more crochet, and then yeah, we went up. Oh, I did film the holidays traditions tag yesterday, but that's about all I did. Yeah, and then today I didn't wake up until midday. I think I have a cold, and I'm just so tired all the time. Not like I was on my tablets. I'm definitely feeling much more myself off of those tablets. I'm not zombified. My brain is only the normal fogginess that I have rather than extreme. I think my body's doing a lot fighting off a cold, and it's just wearing me out much more quickly than normal. So I do something simple like a few hours study that I've just done, and I'm already tired for the day. That's kind of it for the day, so there haven't been much being done. So there was nothing really to show you guys, so I figured I'd just tell you all in one go in today's video. Yeah, so I really don't have much to report. I have been working on the blanket still, so I will put footage of that in later. I'm going to get out of here in a minute because it's actually really cold in here at the moment. The heating hadn't been on before I got up, so hadn't warmed up in here, but the heating gives me a headache because of where our bed is. It's right next to the radiator, so they don't tend to put it on until I get up, bless them. Which meant this room was freezing when I came down this morning. So I'm going to go in there, get some food because I haven't actually eaten yet today, so I came straight out here and got on with this. Do some more on the Alf blanket, and then later I will try to get some footage of the blanket. It's getting a reasonable size now. It's not huge or anything, but it's not a bad size. So finding somewhere I can put it out to get good footage, because I don't think I can hold it up big enough to show you anymore. I'll probably try, but what I might do is lay it out on the lounge floor and get a photo of it as well and put that in so you can see it better. But it's getting there. If I have some uninterrupted work, I could hopefully get it done by the end of the week, but it depends. I mean, I've been going for afternoon naps and things that recently because I'm just too tired to do anything, so it might not. So yeah, I really don't have much to report, but I thought I'd still put something out and show you all. But I am still around. I just really had nothing to show or tell you about over the weekend, so I didn't want to bore you with just saying hi and bye, you know. So yeah, I'm going to get on with that, and I will see you all later, hopefully with some reasonable footage or photos of the blanket so you can actually see how it's going. So you all take care. Bye. Hiya. So it's 8 o'clock, well 4 minutes past 8, on Monday the 10th of December. It's very chilly in here. I should have put my dressing gown on. I'm already in my night clothes. Don't know if you can see. Hogwarts! Sorry, we've just got back from the gym, and now I get out my gym clothes because my belly's got bigger and my gym legging trouser things they don't actually fit me anymore, but it's the only pair and nobody has any for sale that's in my size that also have pockets, and I need pockets because I need to keep my asthma pump, my phone and my tissues with me at all times. Bit out of breath. But I'm glad I went to the gym. I'm just not feeling like I'm glad. I used to feel good after going, now I just feel nothing but pain. But oh well, never mind. The important thing is I went. So I've done more crochet today. As I said, it's a bit big to try to show you sat down, and current setup with the way this is, I can't actually move around much to stand up to show you, so I've taken a photo and I will include that at the end of this, so you can see how far I've got on the Alf blanket. But that's all I've worked on. I've not worked on anything else. There's nothing else to show you. The Alf blanket will probably be a thumbnail as well, so you would have had a sneak peek when you clicked on it. Because it's just lazy editing. I can think you know, take one photo and use it for both. But never mind. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I've had a few recently, and I know that's likely come over from Terry from the Enjoy podcast for giving me a shout out, so thank you very much. I hope you stick around and you enjoy what you see. There will be more stuff to show at some point, but crafting's slow at the moment. Everything's slow at the moment, so yeah, I'm afraid it's just getting what you can when you can, I'm afraid. But, you know, we'll get there. Thanks for those who've already liked the holiday tags video. Hope you enjoy it. As I said, I don't have many things to share, but I shared what I could from those questions. I see my serial thumbs downer is back off their holiday because they've been thumbs downing a lot of my videos recently. So hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your holiday, and I hope thumbs downing my videos give you the joy you clearly need in your life. Let's hope one day you get joy from giving others joy instead of misery. Sorry, I don't see the point in thumbs downers. It's not that they bother me, because, you know, it's their problem. It's still interaction for me. It's just, if you've got nothing better to do in your life than thumbs down people's videos. But oh well, never mind. Yeah, I'm going to have dinner in a minute. And I think I'm going to have a hot chocolate too, because it's cold. It's weird. I used to love the cold. The cold was my favourite time of the year. And then I got fibro, and now cold is just nothing but pain, pain, pain and pain. So I don't enjoy it so much, which is a sucker, because I really did used to love going out in the snow, you know, building snowmans, having snowball fights, even as an adult. It was fun. I don't care what anyone says, you're never too old to go out and have a snowball fight or build a snowman. I think the last snowman that was built in this garden was done by my oldest Kurt when he was much younger, with one of my middle son Reese's friends, Ellie. And they didn't just build a snowman, they built a snow woman, and they carved a woman. You know, she had long flowing hair, lovely little face, little body. The photos are on my Facebook somewhere, but yeah, they worked really hard. They spent hours building it. It was beautiful when it was finished, but I don't think we've really had enough snow since to do anything proper. We've had some snow, but nothing major. But there keeps being reports that we're going to get some, so who knows, maybe we'll get a fun snowman this year. Have to wait and see, won't we? Yeah, so tomorrow Duncan's back in the office. I will probably try to get some study done, and then I will do some more craft. I might do some more of my mum's jumper tomorrow. I don't know. She has already said she doesn't mind if it's a bit late, because I'll be seeing her at a later date anyway. And it's only the sleeves and then the final edging, the ribbing around each part that needs doing, so it's not going to take long to do when I do it. But I'm hoping to make her a second one, so I probably should get started on that soon. And as I think I'm 14 rows off the top corner of the blanket, and then that will obviously start moving faster as it gets shorter, so that should be starting to move pretty fast soon. I haven't done any on the toys I'm supposed to do. To be honest, I'm just taking it easy. I'm not rushing to get anyone's stuff finished. They don't care if it's late. They know that I can't always do things fast. So this year's a really laid back year, whereas normally I would rush to get things done. I'm just not doing it. I'm taking a laid back year. It's been unproductive most of the year, to be honest, after the, let's say, the episode last October when I had my hemiplegic. I've been struggling ever since, so it's been a restful year. I'm going to attempt to do more work come next year, try to build my stamina back up and get things done, so we'll see. But I've gave a list to my mother-in-law for one item, which is covered by the amount that she gave me, which is for a new tripod, and it's a really nice tripod, so hopefully, touch wood, I'm getting that. And it means I'll be able to film my tutorials better, because this tripod has multiple much better height levels than this flimsy thing. It's much more solid, so it won't tip, and it's also got one of those bars that you can lay down and over, so that you can have the camera facing down without worrying about the tripod legs, which means I can film straight instead of at an angle that I had to avoid the tripod legs before. So it should hopefully really improve my tutorials, so I'll be working really much more tutorials after the new year, which I'm really looking forward to. I've got a bunch planned. I'm not going to say when they're going to be done or what ones are going to be done, because we all saw how that went this year. I'm just going to work them off as I'm feeling well enough to do them and get them out. I will try to keep some kind of routine, but I'm not promising any kind of routine for the foreseeable future, until I am hopefully better, if I ever get better. You know, hopefully I will, but you never know. I no longer count on getting better. Before, I always counted, even though most of my conditions are actually uncurable, I always counted on getting well enough to go back to work and have a life again. But each time I've got well enough and I've done that, I've actually had a setback that's put me even further back than what I was, which is why this time round it's taken an entire year and I'm still not fully recovered. So now I'm just going to always try my best and not push myself to recover, just to keep trying. Asthma, cold. So yeah, there's no more trying to do a lot of stuff fast. It's trying to do a lot of stuff at my own pace and hopefully done within a reasonable time frame. If you're one of these people who really likes their schedule, which I normally do but no longer can do, I'm really sorry, and I will try to give you some kind of heads up each time I'm doing something, but I can't promise anything. But if there's any tutorials you lot would like, then please do let me know, because I'm open for all suggestions. I have a stitch tutorial planned for doing the stitches of crochet, the stitches of knitting, stitches of Tunisian crochet. If I can find a way of filming it, I'll do one for cross stitch embroidery stitching, possibly for hand sewing and sewing machine ones as well, showing the different stitches and what they're used for, and then different combinations. And then I have tutorials for the weaving and things. I've got more than planned. Hopefully I'll get around to doing some sewing tutorials next year, because I didn't get a single one of them done this year. The same goes for all the hair tutorials. Now that I'm going to have a new tripod, I should hopefully be able to get a better angle so I can do them. Yeah, so I've got lots of ideas, but I'm hoping to any more, or if there's anything in particular someone really wants, I can bump that to the top of the list, because this isn't just for 1 year. I plan on continuing doing this stuff throughout the years, adding new details, new stitches, new tutorials of all sorts, so there's no hurry for me to do any of it. So yeah, if there's something someone really needs, just let me know and I can try bumping it to the top, if I can do it, obviously. If I can't, I'll try to help you find someone who can. So yeah, do pop down any tutorials that you want down in the comments. Obviously I won't do someone else's pattern, but any of my own patterns, if you want a tutorial for, I'm happy to do it. Happy to answer any questions. I'm happy to start doing a Q&A video as well if there's anyone wanting to ask any questions. I'm pretty an open book, so you know, you can ask me whether it be craft, life, health. I'm not really fussed. I tell you all everything anyway. So there's not much that you don't know about me. Do you know about it? I've confused myself now. I'm gonna go before I kill myself. Gonna go and get that hot chocolate. So I will see you all hopefully tomorrow. I won't say for definite tomorrow because we all know how that goes. But hopefully I will see you all tomorrow. So you all take care, have a fantastic day. I hope you all sleep well, or those who are just waking up have a lovely day and then sleep well. And I hope you've all got something fun planned for the rest of the week and not just boring work. I'll see you all later. Take care. Bye.